How to fix Google Chrome using too much RAM. This tutorial shows you how to reduce memory usage while browsing. First, open the Chrome browser on your computer. After that, click on the three dots menu at the top right. From there, hover over More Tools. At this point, click on Task Manager from the submenu. In the next step, this opens Chrome's own Task Manager, separate from the Windows one. Following this, look through the list to see which tabs or extensions are using the most memory. Once done, click on any high memory tab or extension, then click End Process to close it. From here, close this window, then click on the three dots menu again and go to Extensions. At this stage, click on Manage Extensions and disable or remove any extensions you don't actively use. Keep in mind, having too many open tabs is one of the biggest causes of high RAM usage in Chrome, so closing unused tabs helps significantly. Finally, restart Chrome once you've closed extra tabs and disabled unnecessary extensions to confirm memory usage has dropped. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Google Chrome using too much RAM, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.